Welcome back to Tech Break by Friday. For anyone new here, Tech Break by Friday is a weekly tech and AI show designed to slow down the noise and turn it into something clear and practical that you can actually use. In today's episode, we will focus on to something a little bit more creative. If you are a creative person, a freelancer, maybe a small business owner who needs video content and fast, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to use Kling 2.6 audio on Higgsfield to create actual marketing videos, product ads, explainer clips, social media shorts, all with video, voice, and sound generated at the same time. So this means that you will just have smart tools that they can do the work for you. Just as a disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield AI, and we are really happy that they have been partnering with us. We'll start with the first demo, which would be the product ad video. So let's create a 10-second ad for a coffee shop, for example. We will choose here our 9:16 ratio for Instagram and TikTok, basically vertical layout. We use our model for this demo, which will be Kling 2.6. We have audio enabled, and we want also 10 seconds. Let's copy paste our prompt and we will start generating an ad. So we have copy pasted our prompt here. A woman holds a sleek ceramic coffee mug in a bright modern coffee shop. Sunlight streams through the window. She smiles at the camera and says, "This is the best coffee in town. Come try it." She takes a sip and nods. Ambient, soft coffee music, espresso machine, light chatter, warm, inviting vibe. Okay, so let's also try to see if the enhance on will actually let's do both. We will try it without enhancing and then we will try it with enhancing to see what it will generate. Let's generate. Oops. So this is in progress at the moment. I will pause this for a second so you don't have to watch this whole generation happening, and when I have a result back, I will be able to come back with it. Okay? So let's see the video that it has generated.
This is the best coffee in town. Come try it.
Basically, what we can see here that the sound worked perfectly. Lighting is professional. Room tone seems to be subtle. It seems like it can be production ready either for Instagram or YouTube at this point. So now you can drop it into CapCut. Here's what worked. Actual lighting seems realistic. Voiceover is clear and conversational. The cafe ambience lighting is there. And what we can tweak is basically the sip timing is a bit off, but one more generation and I think it would be client ready for sure. So you can export this, add your logo in CapCut, and you can post it on Instagram Reels. You can also build small businesses for this type of AI video generations. If they don't have the budget for it, you can do it for them and you can basically get paid for it as a freelancer. So this is also another way so you can make money out of it. Moving on, let's say I need a 12-second intro for a YouTube video. And in order to use it for YouTube, I would actually change the layout here. I would use a landscape, which is 16:9. And I would like it to be professional and direct to the camera. I would copy and paste the prompt that I have. So basically I have uploaded a picture of myself and I pasted the prompt. Content creator sits at a desk in a modern home studio. Softbox lighting from the left, they look directly at the camera and say, in this video, I'm showing you how to create professional marketing videos using AI, no crew, no budget. Behind them, blurred shelves with books and plants, ambient sample keyboard typing, white room tone, and 48 gigahertz audio podcast quality. Okay, so we have pasted our prompt, we chose our landscape, and I will choose generate so we can start generating our video. I will pause this again so you don't have to wait the same time that I'm waiting here to generate this, and I will come back. So let's watch the video. Actually, what I'm a bit disappointed is that it didn't follow my instructions about putting it into a landscape.
In this video, I'm showing you how to create professional marketing videos using AI. No crew, no budget.
It's pretty cool. It actually followed the instructions about the audio. I really like the audio and how professional it is. I can also not even tell that it's not me who is talking because the lip sync is good, but I don't like that I didn't follow the landscape aspect that I requested already. So this is one. Moving on, we have another demo that we will try to recreate, which is a social media short, which is basically for UGC content. So let's create an authentic phone shot style short for social media. And basically this will be in vertical, and we will do it for like around 10 seconds as well. Okay. So I would like to keep my picture and actually test if it will generate the other UGC stuff as well. For now, I would just change the prompt. I have copy pasted my prompt. A young woman in casual clothes stands in bright kitchen holding her phone with excitement. I just tried this productivity app and it saved me 3 hours today. If you work from home, you need this. She smiles and gives a thumbs up. Ambient morning light, subtle kitchen sounds, birds chirping, natural related vibe, basically. Also, I will be producing this with enhance on at the moment, just so we can see if we have any differences with the previous generations. Something else that I want to say is that you can actually rerun your prompt with your picture using the same model from this one. Just make sure that you have the credits, because it actually discards the credits that you have used before and uses new credits if you do it from here. And here you can see, for example, what it starts generating with the general model and with audio for 10 seconds. You can basically see what it generates each side of the video. If I move down below, you will see that here I have my previous generations and prompts. Here it was generated before. This was generated twice. Compared to the initial one, you can see here. So yeah, just for your information. Also, just so you know, it takes around 4, 5, maybe 8 minutes sometimes in order to generate a video with the sound and everything. Just so you are mindful why I'm pausing this and I'm not letting you guys wait with me seeing the progress.
I just
Okay,
tried this
so the kitchen
productivity
is there
app
at the
and it
end.
saved me 3 hours today. If you work from home, you need this.
I just want to try something if it will actually generate the kitchen and the lighting and everything, like in the first two prompts. No, like in the first prompt that I did it 2 times basically, just so I want to see if it's being impacted by my picture that it's on the stairs of my building going down, and it basically inherits this sort of aspect for the video as well. Let's generate this and I will see you back in a bit.
I just tried this productivity app and it saved me 3 hours today. If you work from home, you need this.
This one, I think you can say a little bit more that it's AI generated, but it genuinely looks like UGC content, not overly polished. Voiceover is a bit enthusiastic. I like the sound that it keeps it ambient and a bit subtle realism. And it actually generated the kitchen and everything. I think the picture was bypassing the prompt of the model that I was using before. And that's the reason why before it generated me in the stairs talking, and then afterwards it showed the kitchen basically. Just keep this in mind if you're generating pictures and you want a specific person, if you're generating video using pictures with the Kling model and you want a specific person to be appearing this with this. What you can do with this is basically you can post this directly on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. And for clients, if you have a specific product that you actually want to advertise here using UGC content, you can actually sell this as a social media content package. So this is another way that you can actually use AI video generation. Let's try our final demo, which is a podcast clip or an audiogram. So we want to turn a podcast quote into social media clip. This will be again vertical and 10 seconds. It's used for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. If you have a podcast and you want to repurpose your clips, this could be something that you can do with Kling. So let me copy and paste my prompt right now. So I pasted the prompt. The microphone sits on a desk in a cozy home studio. Soft orange and purple lighting. A calm, confident voice says, "Here's the truth about productivity. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters." Background noise, lo-fi hip-hop beat, 25 mbpm, warm and focused, calm and introspective vibe. So if you want to create something that's faceless a little bit, I would say. And we choose audio again for sure, our model Kling, and we use vertical content again. So we will wait for the generation and then I will show you the final result and explain to you how you can use this yourself and what you can generate. So let's see the generated video.
Here's the truth about productivity. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters.
So far I like it. Let's see if I put actually one of my pictures, if it will generate it properly or if it will be biased again towards the picture only. Let's try it out. Let's choose the previous picture that I had. Yep, this one. And we will generate it again.
Here's the truth about productivity. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters.
I was not expecting that.
Here's the truth about productivity. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters.
Maybe with a better picture, it would actually be, the result would be a lot better. So this is something that if you have a podcast, you can repurpose some of the quotes that you said, and you can actually create a 10 to 15 seconds per episode and clip them together using CapCut or edits, also for Instagram. You can post this to TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and this is something that if you have a podcast, you can actually use in order to promote, if you want to make your own video shorts in order to promote your podcast. So this video is sponsored by Higgsfield, and here's why this matters. Right now, Higgsfield is offering an unlimited plan for Kling 2.6 audio generation. And if you are going and you are subscribing into that, you get also some other benefits for the unlimited and the creator accounts. So if you are doing client work and you are creating 10 to 15 videos per week, unlimited generations means you don't hit a credit wall, basically, for you. Normally, AI video tools charge per generation. Higgsfield Unlimited offer means one flat monthly fee, infinite videos, and that changes if you have a business, that changes your business model. You have a fixed cost for the generations that you want to actually create in a month. So that means that if one month you do 100 generations and next month you go to 150, the flat rate will be the same, and you will have fixed amount cost that you can actually project in the future how it will be. So for agencies, you can offer a flat rate package and scale without burning credits. For small businesses, you can test 5 to 10 variations without worrying about costs. And that's actually important if you're a business. You need to monitor costs, especially for video generations. So here are my three real world tips after using Kling 2.6 for dozens of generations as you have seen right now. Batch your generations, usually I would queue up 3 to 5 prompts at once. I was doing it for the purpose of this video, demo by demo, side by side, so you can guys see the difference. Think of Kling as a draft tool. It gets you 80% of the way, but you can use CapCut or Premiere Pro, or also I think edits if you're using it on the phone, to add logos, captions, and final polish faster than starting from zero, at least. You can build a prompt library, save every prompt that works, like I did here, in a Google Doc. And then with categories like product ads, explainers, social shorts, podcast clips. Next time a client asks for something similar, if you're an agency, you have a template to start. You're not starting from zero. So if you go to Higgsfield.ai and you create an account, pick one use case for this video, product ad, explainer, or social short. Follow the workflow I showcased in one of these demos, and generate, review, export, and deliver. All the prompts I use today will be in a Google Doc that I will share in the description. And if you try this, you can drop a comment and tell me what you have created and if you liked it. Subscribe and hit the bell. I test new AI tools and break down creator workflows every week. Thanks for watching and have a great week while keep building with AI.